Now that some resources have been created, let's have a look at the interface that was used to create those resources. On the top right of the page, we see our resource category and the resources that makes up each category. The resource category serves to organize the available resources that the provider can manage. Hence, there are multiple resources in each category. For example, in the networking category, we have the bridge domain, the subnet, the VRF, and other resources that deal specifically with the network capabilities in ACI. The EPGs, application profiles, tenants, EPG domain associations, EPG static path bindings, and EPG contracts association resources are part of the application management category. Under the contract category, we can create contracts, filters, subjects, and filter entries resources. Let's select the tenant resource. The bottom left of the screen shows the fields where we can provide data such as the tenant name, tenant description, etc. if we intend to create a tenant. At the bottom right of the page, we have an argument reference. Arguments define the configuration options for a particular resource and indicate which parameters are required and which are optional. At the top right of the page, you will see a list of the configurations you are currently working on, as well as a configuration history. All configurations that have been created and saved can be found under the history, including those that have been applied to the infrastructure. From the history, we can see that 2 configuration changes have already been created and applied to the infrastructure. Configurations that have been applied to the infrastructure can be archived. Once archived, they will appear under the Archive section. An archived configuration can also be converted into a template. Once converted to a template, it will appear under the Template section. Templating an infrastructure configuration enables reusability, consistency, and scalability. By using templates, you can define infrastructure as code, which can be easily replicated or modified without the need for manual reconfiguration. This ensures that the infrastructure remains consistent and error-free. Additionally, templates simplify automation and foster collaboration within teams.